Here in this class, I am going to show you how we can achieve that beautiful seamless look. As you see, this is our after and this is our before. So I didn't color this part of the hair and left it like that, so you can see the before. She has some pre-existing highlight and she has some gray hair. We are assuming that she has more than 50% gray hair, and we want to give her a color that matches beautifully from root to the ends and give her lots of shine and make her prettier. So let's start. While we are working, I'm gonna talk about the product that I'm using and my matrix, and share the history of the matrix for you, the product that I love as a hairstylist. Before I start, something that is very important and we all have to consider it to deliver a great service is hair consultation. It doesn't matter if you are doing haircut, hairstyling, or hair color. We need to go through the hair consultation and evaluate the hair to see what we are currently, what is and where we are going to go. For this, I'm gonna introduce a great tool to you. This is the Matrix Hair Diversity that helps you as a hairstylist to it gives you the map. It helps you to prepare the right hair color, right develop hair, right styling hair product depending the level that you are working on, from the very dark to the very light hair color. No matter what underlying pigment you have in that hair, and considering the hair texture and diameter, it's gonna be our map and helps us to go and achieve the desired look. I'm gonna share with you how I'm gonna use this to pick your hair color. So if you are ready, let me know in the chat. Awesome, amazing. Okay, so before I start, first thing that I need to know is what is the existing hair, what is the current hair level. Her current hair level is level 6, and she would like to go to wear a medium blonde mocha color. By looking at the swatch book, that's the color that she picked. So, and we need to consider the percentage of the gray hair. How much gray hair does she have? She has more than 50% gray hair. So for this, I am going to make sure that the color that I am using has the power to cover all those resistant gray. And as you see, she has that brassy, dull looking hair that needs to be colored as well. But we are going to see what product we can use to give her shine, keep her hair healthy, and at the same time match it with the color that she has on the top. Good? Everybody is ready? By showing your use that in the chat box in the bottom, and let me know if you are ready. Okay, awesome. So the product that I'm going to use is one for her root and the other product is for her ends. The color that I'm going to use for her root color is Matrix 507 Mocha. This color is dark blonde mocha. This is an extra series. This is 500 series color in our matrix portfolio. the reason that we call it 500 series, it starts with 50, which means it is good for people with more than 50% gray hair. I'm going, the mixing ratio on that color is 1:1, and it goes with a 20 volume developer. As you see, this is the mixing ratio here on the box. I pre-measured my hair color, and my developer, the developer that I am going to use is a Matrix Cream developer, 20 volume. This is the best developer that you can use to cover all those grays. So by showing your hands, who can tell me what is the mixing ratio for Matrix Extra Coverage hair color? Let me know. Oh yeah, awesome. Yes, this is 1:1. This is 1:1 ratio, which means for half, for example, 1 ounce of color goes with 1 ounce of developer. I'm going to mix it and get ready for her hair color. And what I'm going to do here, since one side is colored and ready, I am covered that area, so that color doesn't get any stains, and stay good while we are coloring the other area of the head. A little bit about Matrix. Matrix was found on 1980 by a hairdresser named Arnie Miller. Arnie was a hairstylist for over 20 years when he created Matrix hair colors and Matrix hair products on that time. So his concern was to bring everyone together and a brand that works for every type of hair and every type of texture, and create an environment that everyone with any background feel welcome. And that's how Arnie came up with the name of the Matrix. Matrix means synergy or togetherness. That beautiful story, I'm going to share it with you while I'm working. So this is my color, and I am going to use my brush. And what I use for people who have a gray, they have a resistant gray, is just to make sure that I start my for people who have more than 50% gray, I make sure that I use a proper hair color for them. By using extra coverage hair color, it's just the perfect choice for people with gray. It doesn't matter if the hair is coarse or fine or medium, you will be fine. And if the hair is compromised or fragile, you do not to be worried, because this color is pre-bonded, as you see, which means it has a high concentration of the bond protection inside that keeps the hair integrity during the hair coloring. I'm gonna pull up her hair, and first I go over her hairline and cover all those new growth. Usually people with gray hair come like every 4 to 6 weeks for their to cover their gray hair, and the darker the color that they have to come, they have to put less time between their gray coverage. And sometimes our client ask for pulling through the color at the end of the service, at the end of the coloring time, which we can do it, but by doing that and repeating that, the hair goes darker and drier, especially on those porous hair if they use any heat. So by using this way, you can cover the grays and color the ends and even porous hair, but keep it healthy and make sure that nothing goes wrong. So section by section. The sectioning that I used for this mannequin is 4-quadrant sectioning. So I have 2 sections, 2 on the front and 2 at the back, and 2 in the front, 2 in the back, and I start my work from the front. I go over the hairline first, and then after that, section by section, all those subsection, I apply my color, a proper amount of color, not too much, not a little. Just make sure that you cover all those new growth, especially for people who have a thick, coarse hair. It's very important to make sure that those subsections that we are taking are thin enough that so we could, color the hair properly and saturate the hair properly. So section by section we apply the color, and this color, the processing time for this color is 35 to 45 minutes depending to the hair. For coarse and for coarser hair, the hair that has a bigger diameter, I leave it for longer time, and for the hair that have that are fine, I leave it 35 minutes. So I apply the hair all to the roots on that area, and when we get to the end of this section on this side, we apply it to the other side, and then we move to the back. Since this mannequin had her hair color on the other sections, we don't need to apply it to the other area, but the way that you can done it is just applying there, starting from the front, both sides, and then move to the back. But it really depends to your clients. Sometimes some people come with very fine, very porous hair. For them, I start from the back of the head, but usually for coarse and very resistant hair, the best way to color the hair is starting from the front area. I'm done with the root touch-up, and then now it's time to use my next color. The next color that I am going to use, every color in our So Color portfolio has a Betsy has a match in the So Color sink. So the So Color color that I used was a permanent line. But the So Color sink that I am going to use, this is our alkaline color. This is a demo color, which is great for toning, for doing low light, refreshing, enhancing the color, and canceling undesired tone. The mixing ratio for that with the developer that I'm using is 1:1. So I add the developer to my hair color, and here is, I'm gonna mix it. I use 10 volume cream developer for the ends, and after mixing that, I go and apply to the ends. You can use it easily apply that color by using the bottle or put it in the bowl. It's totally up to you, any way that you are comfortable. Again, section by section, I start to color the ends. So for clients that have very porous hair, something that I use to make sure that the color absorption is evenly is this product. I love this. This is Insecure. This is a porosity equalizer hairspray, and for people who have a porous hair, I spray that this spray from the mid shaft to the ends, and then comb it through and apply it to the hair. So by showing your hands, how many of you get clients that have gray hairs in your salons? Oh yeah, so many of us, right? Yeah. Sometimes some of us are so focused to getting new clients, younger generation, but the numbers shows that data shows that the people who are over 65 years old will be terrible very soon. And okay, let's apply the color to the end. I am going to apply the color to the from the mid shaft to the ends, and saturation is the key to get a perfect result. When it's completely covered, I just go ahead and mix this area by using my finger to match that area. Okay, so section by section I go ahead and do the same technique, and until I reach to the end of this section, and then I move to the next section. So let's go and do a recap. Here we are doing the root touch-up. We are coloring a hair that has more than 50% gray. This lady wants to cover her hair this lady wants to match her hair color from root to the shaft. So instead of you pulling through technique, I used extra coverage hair color, and for hair gray I will use 507 mocha, mix it with 20 volume developer, and then when we are done we use our second color, which is 5 mocha. And I forget this to tell you that I mix my second color with clear, because I had 5 mocha, didn't have 6 or 7. That's why I used my clear. A clear is a very, very useful hair color in your salon that you can use, and you can dilute your color. You don't have to all those numbers, all those shades into your salon. I had 5 mocha. I used half of ounce of 5 mocha, and I same amount of that with clear. I mix them together. I used half of ounce of 5 mocha with 1 ounce of clear, and mixed it with 10 volume developer, equal part of developer, and then I applied it to hair. The processing time for this color is 20 minutes. I let these two colors process together, and then when it is done, we can wash and style it, and it's gonna give you a beautiful match, and at the same time it's gonna cover all those beautiful grays. So I hope you use this technique in your salon and enjoy it. Please tag us in your social media and make a picture and let us see your beautiful work. Use hashtag matrix and so color sync. I hope you enjoyed this hair tutorial. If you have any question, please let me know by coming out of mute or writing that in the chat box for me. I would love to help you with that.